Wrote the poem "Twas the Night Before Christmas," also called A Visit from St. Nicholas, in 1822. It is now the tradition of many American families to read the poem every Christmas Eve. Now, we present it as a humorous gift to bring joy and laughter to our customers of Cyngier Heating and Air Conditioning, as modified by me, Roseanne Cyngier.
'Twas the night before Christmas, when all through the house not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. The stockings were hung by the chimney with care. In hopes of St. Nicholas and heat with clean air.
The children were nestled all snug in their beds, with peak performance agreement benefits dancing in their heads. With Mama in her kerchief and I in my cap, had just gone horizontal for a long winter's nap.
When from the roof there rose such a clatter, I sprang from my bed to see what was the matter. Away to the window I flew like a flash, achieving ventilation by opening the shutters and throwing up the sash.
The moon on the breast of the new-fallen snow showed the luster of midday on the chimney liner below. Knocked off the roof by what to my wondering eyes should appear but a miniature sleigh and 8 tiny reindeer.
With a little old driver so lively and quick, I knew in a moment it must be St. Nick. Faster than you can say, carry infinity furnace, his coursers they came, and he whistled and shouted and called them by name.
Now 3-stage, now variable speed, now quiet and efficient, on tax credit, on rebate, on Go Green and So Clean. To the top of the porch, to the top of the wall. It's obvious the lack of reindeer-proof strapping caused the liner to fall.
Up to the housetop the reindeer flew, with the sleigh full of air cleaners, humidifiers, and hot water tanks too. And then a twinkling I heard on the roof, the prancing and the pawing of each little hoof.
Sheet metal did clang and drills did buzz. I wondered where the man in the red suit and beard was. Then I saw him, his back to the chimney, a pipe held tight in his teeth, and the smoke it encircled his head like a wreath.
A bundle of UV lights he had flung on his back, and he looked like a peddler just opening his pack. His eyes how they twinkled, his dimples how merry. He had thermostat gifts in white, black, and berry.
His beard was white as PVC pipe. He was doing great work, the leadership type. When the chimney liner had been secured and the furnace installed, he sprang to a sleigh, and "We're finished," he called.
And I heard him exclaim as he flew out of sight, "Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night."
Hi, Mom.
Bye.